Now, how to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Let me show you something. Let me get into the car that we just purchased to let you know that as a beginner, if you're thinking of getting started with ClickBank affiliate marketing, you definitely need someone who's going to guide you through one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Why? Because as you watch this video, right, the most important thing in 2025 going further is to know which offer are we actually converting, okay, on ClickBank, because there are so many products, so many niches, and you have to know exactly what offer is doing well for specific audience. All right, I know many gurus in their courses, in outdated BS courses, are selling you idea that, yeah, just pick a niche, pick one product and throw clicks at it. It's not about clicks, okay? Yes, you can get many curiosity clicks, but what you need is buyers clicks, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's all about having buyers buying ClickBank products, not just clicking on your landing page on your website and doing nothing, because you're wasting your time and money if you don't have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, okay? I have been doing this for years. I help some of my clients and students get up and running 5-6 figures per year with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay? The most important thing is having the right offer that it's converting really well and high enough upsell take rate. So you can live this crazy lifestyle. As you can see, maybe your goal is to travel around the world. Maybe your goal is to take your family to vacation. Maybe your parents, maybe retire parents if you're younger, right? I don't know what your goal is. Or what your dream is, but it's possible, it's doable if you have someone, if you take daily steps, 20 to 30 minutes per day, get to $250 to $500 per day in net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing, yes, as a beginner, without ever showing your face. Okay, you don't have to show your face on video camera. All you have to do is have someone who can show you exactly what offers are converting well, which audience are doing well. Are they high emotional state or low emotional state audience, right? Because it really matters what kind of audience you do have in order to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025. On my Instagram, you can see I travel personally to over 65 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. I'm traveling all the time, okay? I'm all around the world. And thanks to affiliate marketing, because I know it works, because I took action. I didn't make excuses. I didn't say, oh, I don't want to invest some money into myself. Oh, I was not cheap on myself. Okay? You're not cheap on yourself. You'll not get anywhere. You have to take some risk for yourself. We call it calculated risk. Okay? Invest some money in yourself and get up and running. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Let's connect. Okay? Let's connect and let's make something happen. There's my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, also my email address in the description below. So you can have this crazy lifestyle and travel all around the world.